That I did in fact buy my very first car at 20 years old. It is fully paid for by me and I bought it in cash.
Ipinagmalaki ng anak ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Lorin Bectas ang kanyang sarili na nakabili na ito ng kanyang sarili at mamahaling kotse sa edad lamang na 20. Si Lorin Gabriela ay anak ni Rufa Gutierrez sa kanyang dating asawang si Yilmaz Bectas. Bukod kay Lorin, may isa pang anak sina Rufa at Yilmaz na si Venice. Noong Mayo 2021 ay nagpasya si Lorin na maging artista tulad ng kanyang ina nang pumirma ito sa Viva Artist Agency para pamahalaan ang kanyang showbiz career. Sa kanyang TikTok account ay ibinahagi nito sa kanyang mga followers na proud siyang naabot ang isa sa kanyang mga bucket list. Sa katunayan anya, ang isang Mercedes-Benz na kotse ay nabili pa niya ito ng cash sa edad niyang 20 anyos. At habang ikinuwento niya ang kanyang naging achievement ay nakasakay pa ito sa bagong biling kotse. Ayon kay Lorin ay naghintay muna siya ng 1 linggo bago niya inanunsyo ang kanyang pinakabagong investment para masiguradong magugustuhan niya ito. Pero nahuhumaling na umano siya sa bagong sasakyan. Perfect umano ito para sa kanya. Ito umano ang isang bagay na matagal na niyang gustong makuha. Hindi niya umano inisip na posible pala niya itong gawin, pero kalakip ay maraming pagsusumikap, panalangin, manifestation at speaking to existence o pagsasabi na magkakaroon at magagawa niya ito. Hindi naman nakalimutan ni Lorin na pasalamatan ang lahat ng sumusubaybay sa kanya at nanonood ng kanyang mga videos na nagbigay daan para sa kanyang malaking blessings.
Guys, the huge life update that I did in fact buy my very first car at 20 years old. It is fully paid for by me and I bought it in cash. I got this car about a week ago and wanted to wait a little bit, drive it around, make sure I loved it before I announced it or told anyone about it, but I am actually obsessed, you guys. It's a Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 and she is perfect. I didn't think it would be possible to do it, but with some hard work, prayer, manifestation, and speaking things to existence, I got it done. There were a lot of times, especially in my teenage years, when life got really hard and I didn't think I was capable of reaching my goals. I didn't even think I was capable of existing in this world and like growing up, doing things on my own. I was so scared to move out here, so scared to grow up, so scared to get out of my comfort zone. But I've been really working on pushing myself, getting past my mental anxieties and everything that's been holding me back. And I'm really, really excited to have you guys on this journey of growth and blessings, and I'm just so unbelievably grateful and happy, and I cannot say thank you enough because you guys have no idea how much you have helped me.
Ano naman ang masasabi mo dito? Ibahagi ang iyong komento.